Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the leaked Chelsea home shirt for the 25-26 season. To make sure I say that right, otherwise I'll say the wrong year. But yeah, this is a leaked shirt. It's the first one that I'm looking at for next season, and this was purchased from a new seller. So I've been buying from Kit for a while now, and they mentioned that one of their friends has started up and gave me their website, so I've gone on there and I've purchased the shirt just so that I can show you what it's like. I've got to say, actually, this was a really quick delivery. I don't think it was a week, to be fair, from the point of me getting the confirmation that the shirts had arrived. So the seller is kkfoo.com, so KKFOO. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video as always. I'll also leave a dhgate link for Chelsea if I can find one. I doubt it's going to be this shirt because it's the first time that I've seen it, but if it's on there I will leave the link. I do like the retro style badge on this one. I think that looks absolutely lovely. As I said, this is a leaked version, so we've looked at the leaked Chelsea shirt I think last year, and it was nothing like what it came out like in the end, so it'll be interesting to see what this one's like. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, this is a new seller, kkfoo.com, and I will leave all the details in the description of this video. Right, let's get this bag open and have a look at the Chelsea leaked home shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we start with the front of the shirt as always, and I really like this. It's not a proper colour, it's like your V-neck one sort of thing, but I love the blue and the white. I think that looks so smart. Really hope they stick with that. But the white is quite a big piece on this shirt. It's obviously all down. If I just zoom out for a second, you can see it's all around the cuffs there and underneath the shirt on both sides. I think it looks quite smart. And then it sticks on also with the night tick, which is white with this I think it's like a red. Hopefully it's coming across a red outline, which is the same on the Chelsea badge as well. And this is probably my favourite Chelsea badge I've seen for a while. Screams retro, but it looks really smart. So yeah, really enjoying that badge. At the bottom, we do have the engineered with a product code. And if I put my hand under it, you can just about see my hand through, so it shows you how lightweight and see-through the material is. As I said, this is very much a leaked shirt, so I'm not sure where they got the design from, but as soon as it was available, I've jumped on it to show you what it could look like. And do you know what? I hope they do stick with this one, actually. Oh, we've got a sleeve sponsor here, which is feverup.com. So we've got a sleeve one, but no main sponsor again. I don't know if Chelsea don't want main sponsors. I don't know if they can't get one. I'm not actually sure the reason why. If anybody does know, drop me a message in the comments and let me know, because I'd be interested to know why the last few seasons Chelsea have not had a sponsor. But that's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side now. Okay, we're on the reverse side now. You can just about make out the white down the back there, and obviously we've got the blue and white here. And do you know why I probably like this? It's because Blackburn obviously wear blue and white halves, so it just probably gives me that Blackburn vibe from the look. So no name and number on the back of this shirt because it's a leaked one for next season. Nothing's been confirmed yet, so when it's a leaked one, I always get them without anything on it. I have ordered, I can't remember now, some other leaked ones actually. Was it Liverpool, Man United, Arsenal, something like that. They're not arrived yet, but when they do, I'll make sure I get some videos out on those as well. But yeah, nothing really to call out on the back. It is a very plain blue on the backs, but it is a very nice blue. We'll flip it around and we'll take a look inside now as well. Okay, we're on the inside now, and we've got our blue and white, obviously, as we said. Now we know why, because of the Blackburn colours. The Chelsea badge. Do you know what? That's not stitched on too badly. It's probably would rub, so I'd probably wear something underneath it. And you've got some of this card as well, which is still in there. And the way to get rid of that is just to put some lukewarm water on it. If you do that, then it will just peel off nicely. Night tick. Yeah, it's about standard now. Got little joins there. Obviously, it's 2 colours around it, so you expect to see some additional stitching at the end. And the arms. Got our tags here. Recommendation for washing these shirts is do a hand wash setting and do not put it in a tumble dryer. Just let it hang dry. Some extra loose threading up there. But on these Elite shirts, they're never perfect. So, to be fair, for the amount of loose cons one there as well, that's about standard for these leaked shirts. So really impressed so far with this one. And here's the final part of the inside of the shirt. It is a dry fit XL made in Thailand. And we have the standard tags that you always get on these sort of shirts as well, with the breathe. Don't think that's actually ventilation, that's just material. The night tag is just there, you can't see it, so although it is a see-through lightweight material, you can't see anything really through from the badge or anything. Hemline stitching looks pretty good, to be fair. So a few creases up here and there from where it's been in the bag, but nothing really to worry about. As there's no name or number, not a lot to call out on this side of the inside of the shirt, but that gives you the full look at the front, back and inside of this leaked Chelsea home shirt for the 25-26 season. And there is our leaked home Chelsea shirt for the 25-26 season. I've done so well not to get the wrong year, but right at the end I've ruined it. But the leaked home shirt for the 25-26 season from kkfu.com. It's a brand new seller that we've used, and yeah, really impressed, to be fair. The seller is friends or something linked with kitmm.com, so they're obviously linked with KitGG, so you kind of know that straight away, even though it's a new seller, you're going to get good products, you're going to get good service. So for me, really, really happy. And the delivery on this one was actually probably one of the quickest, about 7 days, which is unbelievable, to be fair. So yeah, hopefully the rest of them are as good as that. I have got another shirt ordered from them, which has arrived. It's the Ipswich home shirt. So I've got 2 blue ones. So that will be coming up very soon. But yeah, I want to get a leaked shirt out because it's always nice to get the first look at the next season shirts. And this one, for me, is very nice, just really because of that badge. And I just like how Chelsea keep their shirts nice and clean. Like I said, no sponsor, don't know the reason why, but I think that looks so good. I will leave all the seller's information in the description of this video. So check them out, see what you think. If you've got any questions or anything, then drop me a message below and I'll respond when I can. Also subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. But there we have it, the leaked Chelsea home shirt for the 25-26 season from a new seller, kkfu.com. Thank you very much for watching. The final look at it. And I'll see you in the next one.